Hello everyone, welcome to Meditation Mama. Today we're going to be doing a very quick, simple meditation on using your breath and some intentional words to bring about a state of relaxation and a bit of healing and letting go of any pent-up emotions or aggressions that are being stored in the body. So we're going to get stuck in. So taking a moment and just closing your eyes and coming into your body. And noticing your breath as it flows in through your nose and exhales. Bringing your attention and awareness to your breath. And using your breath, we're going to begin taking nice, long, deep breaths into the belly. Filling the belly and letting it expand as much as possible as you take long, deep breaths into your belly. Relaxing and softening your belly. And relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck, relaxing your collarbone and the backs of your shoulders, your shoulder blades. Relaxing your elbows and your wrists. Relaxing your hands and your fingers. And relaxing your skull, back of your head, releasing all your thoughts, just dropping them and letting them go. And then bringing your awareness and your breath into your chest, taking nice, long, deep breaths into your chest, noticing how your ribcage expands on the inhale, filling your lungs with fresh oxygen. And exhaling, sending that through your whole body, through your entire being. Relaxing your spine, relaxing this between the vertebrae, the spaces between in your spine, letting there be space between your vertebrae. Relaxing your hips and your knees and your sitting bones. And on the inhale, breathing love into your being. And as you exhale, releasing any pain that's in your body, that's in your mind, or in your heart, or in your emotional body, or in your space right now. Inhale love and exhale pain. Drawing that love into your being and exhaling anything which no longer serves you. Drawing that love in, filling your being, and releasing and letting go of pain. feeling your body expanding, energy expanding and filling. Using the breath. Inhaling love and exhaling disease. Inhaling love into your being and exhaling anything that does not serve you. Drawing that love in and letting go of all disease. Inhaling love, filling your being with pure, radiant love, and exhaling fear. Letting it go. Inhaling love and exhaling, letting go, releasing your fear. Letting it go. Creating expansion in your body, in your mental, emotional, and physical bodies. Inhaling love and exhaling, letting go of fear. And inhaling pure, radiant love into your being, and exhaling and letting go any anger, frustration, and irritability. Inhaling love and exhaling frustrations. softening and opening to your love. Noticing and releasing your resistance. Inhaling love and exhaling disease. Exhaling your fear. Inhaling love and letting go and releasing your pain, your discomfort, your frustration, your hurt. Inhaling, expanding, and exhaling, releasing. And to end, we'll be taking a few deep breaths into the whole body. Placing your hands over your heart and taking a moment to say some nice, kind, supportive things to yourself right now. And releasing. I hope you enjoyed that little breathwork series and you feeling a little bit more relaxed and centered within yourself and a little bit more open to yourself. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and I hope to see you again soon. All my love, Becky. Bye.